Dear students, we have learnt primary distribution. Now we are going to the next topic, that is secondary distribution. What is secondary distribution is, after the preparation of the departmental distribution summary, it is necessary to reapportion the cost of service departments to production departments. The objective of apportionment of overheads is to charge overheads to cost centers. So the process of redistributing the cost of service department among the various production department is known as redistribution of service department or secondary distribution of overheads. So we are going to learn this through a problem. I've already sent you the picture of this problem. Sri Rama and Company, I've already sent you, and we know how to solve the primary distribution. See, I have already solved it here. So you have basis of apportionment, and that is first step is computation of ratio that we have done. We have production department, service departments, and the total. So if it is area square feet, then A, B, C is distributed. You could be thinking, where is it given? It is given in the problem. See, area square feet, A department 400, 500, 600 and 400. Here you have the same. Here I have written, and I have further simplified. That we know, computation of ratio 4:5:6:4:1. Direct wages I have simplified. I have written 9,000 as 9, 6,006, cancelling zeros. So we get 96,967, and the total also you can see. So I will send you the photo also. So light points, basis of apportionment is given, ratio is given, and HP of machine we have simplified the ratio. This is one stage. Then after this, another one is value of asset, and after this is what we do, primary distribution. Hope you can see primary distribution. You have expenses, basis of apportionment, total column, production 3 departments. So in this problem, you have X and Y service department. So if you can notice, so value of asset, depreciation, for depreciation, basis of apportionment is value of asset. Where is it given? See, in the problem it is given depreciation. On what basis do you apportion? You apportion it on the basis of value of asset. Okay, can you see in the problem, allocation of service departments X and Y are given, percentage is given. How to calculate that we will see in the secondary distribution. Now we are with the primary distribution. We have learnt this already. So first one is depreciation. We take basis of apportionment, value of asset. Total is 4,000 as per given in the problem. Then you will start distributing it. That is 4,000 into 12 divided by the total. The total is 20. You get 960. So like that, when you add up, you should come to 4,000. The next expenses is lighting. Lighting basis of apportionment is light points. Total is 2,400. That is distributed in the ratio of 2:3:4:2:1 among all the departments. So like this, rent, power, indirect wages. There is one addition here is other expenses. Other expenses, you have to take direct wages as the basis of apportionment. So we already know what is the ratio. Accordingly, we will have to distribute. Now finally we come to the total. This is the primary distribution. The first step is computation of ratio, and the second step is primary distribution. Now the discussion is the secondary distribution, how to solve. See here in the primary distribution we have got the total 24,400, 7,193, 5,202, 6,433, 3,302, 12,270. The same thing you have to redistribute among all the departments. In the sense, expenses as per primary distribution is 24,400. Take the total of all the departments from the primary distribution summary. See what the total is here, that I have taken it as the basis now. for A, B, C, X and Y. Now in the problem, if you look at the problem, they say allocation of service department expenses should be based on these percentage. X 20%, 30%, 40%, nil and 10%. Nil in the sense, if we are, see I will tell you, first step you have to do is write down expenses as per primary distribution. Okay, that is 24,400 and all the totals we have written as it is. The next thing that we need to do is, first step, expenses of X, department X, that is service department. What is the percentage given in the problem? See, 20%, 30%, 40%. For X department, we will not give any percentage, so nil is given, 10%. Now, you have to take the total of X department, that is 3,000, that is 3,302, and then distribute it to all the departments. See, I have mentioned here 3,302 into 20% will be 660.40, 30% will be 990.60, 3,302 into 40% will be 1,320.8. We will not give it to X department because that expenses only we are redistributing to all the departments. Therefore, we should not give to X department. Next is Y department, that is 10%. Alright. Now what we have to do next is you have to add up. That is 7,193 plus 660. The total will be 7,853.40. You can avoid zeros. 5202 plus 990.60 will be 6,193. You can avoid, I have not taken point here. If you like, you can take it or avoid it. 6,433 plus 1,320.8 will be 7,754. 3,302 we will not take because percentage is not given. So we have not distributed. We will write as it is. Nil we will write. Then Y department 2,600. 2,270 plus 330 will be 2,600. Now the next step is, take after X department, you have to take expenses of Y department. That is, the expenses of Y department total will be 2,600. This you have to redistribute. What percentage as per given in the problem? See, in the problem you can see 40%. Y department 40%, 20%, 20%, 20%, and for Y department it will be nil. Accordingly, I have taken expenses of Y department, that is 2,600 into 40% will be 1,040, 520, 520, 520 and nil. Why nil? Because it is Y department, we should not distribute to the same department. So it will be nil. When you add up, you will get these figures, 8,893.40 and all that. Now you can look at Y department. It will become nil. Why? Because we have not distributed, redistributed. It will be nil. Come to the next one. So next will be what? Expenses of X department. How long should we continue? We should continue as long as we should reach to the minimum value. Minimum. Till then we have to continue like this. First X, then take Y department, then take X department, then Y. So now when you make the total of X department, what is the value? 520. That 520 of X department should be distributed in the ratio of 20:30:40. X department we will not distribute, so it is nil and 10%. This is what the value you get. After this, you add up, then take the we will get a nil value here. Then come to the next department, that is expenses of Y department. That is 52 into 40%, 20%, 20%, 20% and nil. Again add up. Lastly, X department value will be 10.4. That is further distributed. You will get 2, 2, 4, nil, nil. Since we have got the least value, we are going to end our problem here. So we will add up all the columns and we will keep it as it is. This is called secondary distribution. If you have any doubts, you can get back to me. I am also sending these pictures. Tomorrow I will send you more problems. Thank you.